midnight snack. I'm having a Lunchable. Yes, I am, y'all. After this, I promise I'm going to bed. Or I'm going to watch a movie, though. I want to watch a movie. I do. Lifetime movie. That's what I'm going to watch. So this is a oven roasted turkey breast. Lunchable, Hillshire Farm. Good. It's good. I'm sure you've had it. So I'm about to get me some turkey, y'all. And some cheese and crackers, maybe like that. Mmm. Oh well. Mmm. Mmm. So yes, I'm having my snack. I love these type of Lunchables right here. These are good. They don't fill you up, but they still good. Y'all, ooh, let me sit down. Stretch my legs out. Ooh, I need a massage. I tell you right now, I need a massage. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm, 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 mm. Ooh, Lord, my legs feel good stretched out. Mm. Ah, that's so good. Yeah. Kids all laying down. Tomorrow I'm gonna finish my back porch. I'm just adding a few more things. I'm gonna go to the crystal, like I said, and get some more curtains for the back. The front is cool the way it is. I'm gonna leave it like that. It's cool. I ain't gonna change it out. I'm just gonna leave it just like that until the weather change. Once the weather changes, then I'm gonna change it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm. Good. I hope I don't fall asleep here on this camera. I hope not. Mm. I'm gonna let y'all know in advance that this weekend I may not record. I may not do anything. I'm just gonna take a chill day, like around Saturday and Sunday, and just smoke, drink, and kick it. Just be by myself, and I'll be back at y'all. I'll be back at y'all. Because I'm just gonna relax this weekend, just for a day or two. But that's it. Alright, it's hard work. This feel hard. Mom be tired, body be, but I love it, and I ain't gonna stop. Okay, but I will take my break. I will take a breather. You best believe that. Cause honey child, boo, tired. I am tired. I am. I just want to sleep. I'm also give me some good sleep this weekend. Tomorrow's Friday. Saturday, I'm just gonna chill. Sunday, I'm going to church. Hmm. Well, I'm gonna do my hair tomorrow, but I might talk to y'all while I'm doing my hair. I don't know. It depends. I might. And now I know I just need to take a break. I'm gonna take a little breather. And just rest. I have some me time. You know, just be to myself. Mm-hmm. Up on my knees. Ooh, that feel good. Mm. Last little bite. Put that away. Mm. Got some good stuff. That's really good. And then, of course, like I told you, Mother Nature, she creeped up or crept up on me today. Ooh, I was at the thrift store. I knew something was like, I was feeling different. Like, because for the past almost a whole month, I didn't have one last month. And your body goes through that. It goes through. You know, like headaches, body be aching. Plus, I'm going to menopause, and it's like everything hurts really bad. My head, everything hurts. Y'all, when I say everything hurts, everything. I mean, everything. I mean, my head, oh, I feel like somebody was kicking me in my head with a steel toe boot on, y'all. I swear, on everything. Y'all, my head was hurting so bad for weeks. My body was hurting. My stomach was hurting. Um, my back, everything. My arms, my shoulders, my everything, y'all. Whew, that period was trying to come. My monthly was trying to come. I mean, you can just feel my body trying to, you know. And now that it's like, because all day today I've been feeling different. Like, not bad. You know, like I've been feeling. Like, I'm like, ooh. I was just waiting for a pain somewhere in my body to happen. Or, well, my knees hurt because I got arthritis, like bone to bone in my knee. That they always gonna hurt. My feet gonna hurt too. But, like my back, my stomach, my head, my arms, everything. Like everything from my stomach, waist, whatever, on up. Nothing today. And that was bothering me so bad. Like, it was bothering me, like, so bad. But like I say, I always have pain in my knees and my legs and my feet. But when it's bad today, though, it wasn't bad. Yeah. So now that I'm on, I'm like, oh, God, thank you. I ain't never been so happy to see my monthly. I ain't never been so happy to see my monthly. I promise you. Hmm. And I'm glad I started before Sunday. Because that way, because I only go like 3 days. And on my third day, I start to come down off of it. So that third day is going to be Sunday. Sunday's going to be my third day, but I'm going to be coming down off of it. The first 2 days be heavy, but like, after that, I got all my pads ready. I'm ready to go, honey. I know it's too many TMI, but I'm sorry. It's life. If you're a woman, you understand. Men too. If you got a woman, you understand too. Because she go through the same thing unless she had a hysterectomy or something to where she don't have to have periods no more. Other than that, you know what's up. You know what to expect. Yep. So, but I have my little snack, and I'm about to put my tablet on and just lie here until I fall asleep. I will try to find something to watch. Yeah. Yeah, that part. I should have drunk that coffee. But with that being said, y'all, this is a little short video. I just wanted to share my little snap. And again, I had me a little hair shower. So good. Good. And I'll talk to y'all tomorrow, okay? Remember to do what? I can't hear you. Like, comment, rate, subscribe. Press and smash. Keep your hand on it. Keep your hands on that post notification. Button. Comment down below. Share my videos. All come on, share them. Share my videos, please. Please share my video. Please subscribe if you're just a viewer. If you're returning, welcome back. Please share my videos, y'all. Alright? Let's make this happen. Alright, y'all.